what's up buddy, how doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Viren Bablu and I'm again here practicing my spoken English, and this time I'm again here Ayodhya. So you can see I'm not Ayodhya city, I'm a little bit outside. So you can see this iconic steel bridge Tendhi Bazaar, and here it's behind me is a railway track go to Lucknow, and this is the overbridge that connect Lucknow Gorakhpur highway. I live here, and that's a road where do morning walk, where come here morning time, even evening time, and I found this place is empty, so I thought let's do practice here. So that's why I came here, and it's my daily resolution that I have to practice at least 10 minutes. So that's I'm doing, and so you can see it's early morning, it's now 7 a.m. and many people going, many work, many students going their schools, and yeah, but it's a quiet area, so it's quite good for me to practice my spoken English, because here no one looking at me, otherwise people disturb when you speak in public or main road, people look at. So that's why I choose open area, empty area where not many people. So now you can see it's very quiet, it's a field, quite weak field. So guys, when we are beginners, not come in our mind sentences, even word, what to say. So we are stop in middle of the conversation. So it's a main solution is that we have to explain everything, like what we see, explain. Like you can see there is lots of madar tree. I've shown this at my village. So you can see it's quite small madar plants, but now you can see it's a fruit. It's a very heavy fruit, and now you can see how beautiful the flowers. These types of explanation give you the sentence, give you the idea, give you the topic to flow your English. So now you can see it's a very open area, and now it was very long, even 2 kilometers long, this types of field, but now it's all occupied by this types of barricading. And now here you can see it's a private parking area, and now it's also occupied many people. So it's all filled, otherwise it was very big field. Now it's only left this field. So yeah, it's very good open space. People here park and work out. Some people do as well in the morning. So I'm practicing here my spoken English. And also guys, look at the monkey here. Here lots of monkeys guys, because it's Ayodhya. So in Ayodhya, lots of monkey. And you can see guys here Tendhi Bazaar's iconic parking. And this time guys, it's May. So this time in Ayodhya, very less crowd, because it's a very hot season here in North India as well. Whole North India is very hot, so that's why not many pilgrims coming. So it's very secluded this time. Otherwise, it all filled with four-wheelers and buses. So guys, if you are not yet come in Ayodhya, so definitely come and see the glory of Ayodhya and the Lord Rama's. So I live here, so I go to many times for darshan. So now guys, it's very good, take a resolution and speak whatever come in your mind, at least 10 minutes, and definitely 10 to 15 days you will find much confidence in your spoken journey, and much flow and much fluency in your speaking. So now guys, you can see not come in my mind also the topic, so that's why I'm a little bit roaming here and thought that to find some topics. So here you can see here all government buildings, and there's some road, it's by Karma Road, and behind this colony, the main road that go to Ayodhya to Hyderabad city, the connect, and that road also go to Naya Ghat and via Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir. Guys, if you are coming in Ayodhya, so also contact me and ask me any question about Ayodhya, because I am living here many years. So now guys, it's very good. Go to walking or jogging and do your practice. One time, 2 hours. So guys, here many people don't come, only very less people because it's outside and that road only for like a bypass type. Otherwise, main road that behind this colony. So that's the main road. And here you can see the railway track. And guys, not came any train. Otherwise, I show you the train. And I definitely show you. I'll wait sometimes here. And if any train comes, so I'll show you view from here. Very beautiful. They're very beautiful scenery, like the parallel of the road railway track goes, and there's some food vending zone there, and the people sit, enjoy their meal, and see one side road and other side railway track and railway go to, and that's a very picturesque view. Now guys, you have to speak because in our mind not come sentences, so we stop. I also stop. So we have to speak something like anything because we are in flow. Otherwise, when we stop, so we take a pause, and when we stop, then not come in our mind words or sentences. So we have to speak whatever come in mind. And now, guys, these days you can see these types of temporary wall. It's a folding wall, so you can see the pillar, and it's ready only 1 day because it's already made flat, and the pillar dig and now set all the flats ready boundary. So now guys, I'm sure that some train come because the siren ring, because here the crossing and siren ring, it's a sign that any train coming. So I'll show you the train when it pass there. Yeah, now guys, it's my 15th session, and now my English is quite good, and I'm quite fluent as well because when I started I was quite stuttering. Stuttering means that guys, I was stopping middle of and not flow. So I was stuttering and stop middle of the talk and not come out even my mouth. So now this time it's my little bit flow increase. Now also guys, I have some confidence that I can speak wherever. And now it give me boost only in 15 seconds. So now guys, there is a train coming, and it's a very, very picturesque view. You can see passing a train behind me, and I am practicing here my English. So now guys, you can see it's a passenger train, and it's a very empty train, barely any people in the coach. And now guys, local demo train, and not season, so that's why not full train. Otherwise there is a huge crowd come in Ayodhya, and any train come here in Ayodhya empty, and now every train come here all board. Now guys, it's one of the main busiest touristic site in India nowadays, because this time it's a very hot season here, so that's why pilgrims not coming. Yeah guys, that's it in this video. I did my today's resolution 10 minutes, and I hope you'll find this video useful and some points as well. So I'm gonna end this video here. I hope I find useful, and guys, please correct me if I did any wrong because I'm learner, so I can do. We'll meet next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.